Hello Chiefs, as promised we wanted to send you a video on how you will generate reports within Target Solutions. I hope this makes things a little bit easier for you. First things first, once you log into Target Solutions, you're going to go to your home screen. You can see I'm operating from my home screen. Look at the radio button that's illuminated in the upper left-hand corner that says Home. Next thing you'll need to do is switch into the administration mode. That button lies to the right of your home button. Click on administration. The next thing you'll do is you want to click the button that says generate reports. See it below dashboard in the left hand column. Click the generate reports button and that should open your generate reporting screen. Looking at my screen, you can see that I've got several queries that I've renamed. And if you look across from left to right, you'll see the date. You'll see an Excel button. If you click on the Excel button, it'll open an Excel spreadsheet. The name of the query. To the right, report type. It shows incomplete assignments, credentials, whatever I want, I can look at. To the right of that, you'll see a little button, and if you hover your mouse over it, that allows you to copy a report. So let's say I have a credentials report that I want to copy and change my date range as an example. Or let's say that it was pre-populated with your entire battalion's names and you want to run it for a different credential. Instead of driver's license, you want to look and see how many of your guys have expired CPR cards. This is how you will do that. You'll click copy report because all of your guys will already be pre-populated in there, and then you'll just change the credential around. Let's try an example. I want to copy the credentials query at the bottom. I'm going to touch copy credentials because I want to look at individuals in my battalion with expired driver's licenses. Once I copy that report, it opens this screen. You can see it says credentials, and I could change the report name. I could do a different date. I can put whatever information I want. And remember what we told you in the various classes is I wouldn't mess with the date ranges per se. I find that that muddies up my reports. Below the date ranges, you're going to see three columns: display options, limit users, and limit credentials. Let's click on display options so we can filter what we want to look for. Here you'll see I've checked first name, last name, shift, the credential. I've also got the expiration date, and you'll see that I'm ordering the results by expiration date. I could do it by last name, I could do it by first name, or I could do it by the credential itself. It's up to you. Whatever way works for you is how you'd run that. Okay, now look at those three columns again. We're going to limit our users. Open the limit users column, go to that magnifying glass, and start entering in the initials of the individuals that you want to populate into this ongoing query. So you're going to enter all of your regulars in your battalion. That way you'll have this pre-built query with all of your personnel, and you can change it each individual time to fit the circumstance, the credential, or the education to see if your guys are up to date. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to limit the credential. So in this case, I'm looking for credentials that are expired only. I could look for active, expired, current, or inactive. You have four choices there. After that, we want to go to the credential that we're looking for. Again, do a fuzzy search. In this case, I'm looking for the annual driver's license. That's the credential that we're searching out. The only thing that's left for you to do now is press Create Report, that green radio button, and then your report will start running at the top of the column. You can see where it says credentials. Once it's done, you'll have your choice of looking at it in an Excel spreadsheet or in another format. I like the Excel simply because I can filter search it. Okay, finally, we're looking at the report. You can see this is a report looking for expired driver's licenses for Paul Costello. In this particular instance, nothing shows up. The reason nothing shows up is I'm not expired. If I had looked at it from a current standpoint, it would show up. But I was looking for expired DLs. The reports that you run are really limitless. I hope this helps. If you need further assistance, please give us a call here at Training and Safety Division. That's what we're here for. We'll walk you through the process. However, I think you're going to become old hats in no time at all at running these important queries. Take care. Have a nice day.